If any of you guys use this stuff, you'll know it does wonders. What's up? You want to throw it down? What's up? What? Going on, guys? It's Matt back again with another video. I know it's been quite a while since I last posted, but I mean, I guess this year's just been really demotivating for me. Haven't really had the energy or the motivation really to make YouTube videos, but hey, here we are, guys. It's nice and cold out tonight, and the car feels pretty nice. Feels a little stronger than usual. The air feels nice and cool. We're gonna let it rip here. I actually got a speeding ticket the other day, so I don't know why I'm out doing this stuff. I guess I just kind of had like a little itch to come and let it rip, man. There's a guy in a quad over there. What up, man? Believe it or not, this is actually my first winter with the ported intakes on the car. Because those of you who have been around know what happened last year. I had my car accident. But I must say, they do make the biggest difference in the world, especially when the air is cold outside. Not bad for a little six banger, I'm telling you. And I know a few of you have been wondering where I've been at. A few of you guys even thought I caught COVID, which is not true. I'm all good there. Oh, you love to see it. You love to see it. I love these drivers in the city. They're the best. Good job, guys. But anyways, I'm all good, guys. 2020 has just been a shit show. Haven't really had the motivation to post anything, but here I am. We're gonna try to make the best of the rest of the year and of 2021. All right, we lost some daylight, but that's all right. I just want to give you guys a quick little walk around of the car, because I know it's been a really long time. Here she is, that nice, beautiful deep impact blue. Finally got my front splitter on there. Give it a different look this time. I think the front end looks beautiful, guys. Coming around back. She's about to be 6 years old, I believe. She still looks pretty good, I must say myself. And I guess I'll give you guys some exhaust revs real quick. And real quick, I'll tell you guys, this is one of the most unique sounding 3.7 liters you will ever hear. Probably pissed everybody off around here, but you know, it's whatever. All right guys, I guess that's gonna wrap up this video. I know it's pretty short and random, but I just want to show you guys that I'm not dead. I'm still alive, and I have more content to come. So subscribe if you're new, drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.